Good evening, everyone. So, here question number 3.5. Read each of the statement below carefully and state with the reason if it is true or false. A. The magnitude of a vector is always scalar. Yes, definitely. Any vector, for example, force. For example, force is a force is a vector. So, for example, 20 force is 20 Newton in I cap. Okay, I cap. But if you will talk about magnitude, that is your 20. So 20 is always a scalar. So any magnitude of any vector is always scalar, right? I hope you have understood. Now, question number B: each component of a vector is always scalar. No, it can't be. Never, never. For example, if you take our motion in a plane, so this is a motion in a plane, right? So let us consider this is a vector for instant velocity. So if you will break this into two components, so you will get vector only. It is not a scalar because it is giving direction, right? It is not only breaking the vector. So it is also giving direction. So B statement is a false. B statement is false. Okay. Now see, the total path length is always equal to the magnitude of the displacement vector of a particle. Length is always equal to the magnitude of the displacement particle. Total path length is always equal to the magnitude of the displacement vector. So let us consider this is a object. Okay, so if we talk about this, so this is your shortest path, so definitely this is the displacement. So total path length is this path length, but displacement is the shortest distance between initial and final point. So can we say that there is no, can't be equal? Okay, definitely it can be less than equal. Okay, so displacement can be less than displacement can be less than equal to path length, that is distance, that is your distance. Okay, okay. Now, if I will talk about question number D, they are telling D in question number D, they are telling that the average speed of the particle is uh, is either greater or equal to the magnitude of the average velocity. Yes, yes. Why not? Because speed related to distance, right? Distance is always greater than equal to displacement. The speed is distance by time, distance divided by time, and that is your speed. That is your speed. But when we talk about velocity, so this is your displacement divided by time t. So this is equal to velocity. So definitely velocity speed is always greater than or equal to the velocity. So D is the true statement. Okay. Now let's talk about statement number E. Three vectors not lying in a plane can never add up to give null vector. Okay, if they will add up, so they may take a vector. Okay, it doesn't depend on does not depend on it is lying on the plane or not. So they can, if they can add up, so they can make a null, not necessary that they have to be in the same plane. Understood? So I hope, because if you will break the component, so definitely it can make the null, definitely. Okay, thank you.